Getting started with the Sage Accounting mobile app. The mobile app for Sage Accounting empowers you to manage your accounts on the go. In this video, we'll show you how to download and navigate the mobile app on your iOS device. If you are an Android user, we have a separate video tailored to you. About your business. The mobile app is available from the Apple Store on your device by searching for Sage Accounting. You can use the app with both Sage Accounting Standard and Sage Accounting Plus. Once downloaded, open the app and press Sign In. Select the country your business is based, enter your Sage Accounting credentials and press Login. Please note that what's displayed may differ slightly, depending on the device and operating system you are using. Once logged in, you are presented with Getting Started cards at the top. To mark each card as done, or to save it for later, swipe left. Press the relevant option, and the next task will appear. To complete or save all tasks, repeat the process or mark all tasks as done by pressing here. By default, the overview screen features widgets for trends, purchase automation, sales, quotes and estimates, purchases, receipts and payments, contacts, and accounts. To edit the widgets, press Edit at the bottom of the page. Remove a widget by pressing this icon, then press Remove. Restore it by using the plus icon in the Hidden Widgets section. To reorder the widgets, use the icon on the right. Keep this icon pressed and move the widget to the desired place on the list. To restore the default settings, press here. To save your changes, press Save. If you're always on the go, manage your sales and purchases wherever you are. Use the widgets or the plus icon to access the relevant area and create transactions. The Trends widget provides a snapshot of money in and money out, weekly, monthly, and yearly. With purchase automation, go paperless by capturing and uploading images or files to attach to transactions such as quotes, invoices, payments, and receipts. In the Sales section, view transactions and create sales invoices, quotes, estimates, credit notes, and other receipts. To exit, press Close. You can also view and create quotes and estimates from here. Similar functionalities apply to the Purchases section for purchase transactions. In the Receipts and Payments section, monitor money in and out of the bank and create new receipts, payments, and bank transfers. Manage and create customers and suppliers within the Contacts section, and import contact records from your phone. Changes made on your mobile device are automatically updated in the web application. From the top left, press the account icon and access settings such as the business address and VAT information. You can also add and manage your products and services here, including stock items if you are subscribed to Sage Accounting Plus. If you need to sign out, you can do this here too. Hit Support and give feedback on the mobile app through the Support and Feedback menu option. For further information, visit our Help Center. You have now learned how to download and navigate the app on an iOS device.